Jai Sriman Sitamma did not remove all her ornaments because of so much of walking she had to do. Probably she got tired. Without removing any of her ornaments, she probably slept over here on the floor. I can see all the small golden drops over on the floor. Drishyante saktaha kanakabindavaha. Oh, my dear mothers, and also Sitamma had that silk saree, all those small strings also I can see, which are connected to these grass blades over here. Oh, my dear mothers, I am so cruel. Because of me, my Sitamma, my Ramachandra Swami had to go through so many troubles and had to sleep on this bare floor on the earth. Oh, my dear mothers, my brother Lakshmana is very lucky man, because Lakshmana is supporting my Rama when Rama is going through this kind of troublesome time. Lakshmana is very fortunate to be with Rama. Oh, my dear mothers, I am feeling like everything is dark. My mind is getting blank. Oh, my dear mothers, like this, Bharata is addressing all his mothers and crying a lot while remembering all the troubles Sita Ramachandra Swami going through. And also Bharata saying that, oh, my dear mothers, look at that. Ayodhya did not have king for last almost few days, but no king on this floor dared to even attack our Ayodhya, because that is the power of my valor of my Ramachandra Swami. No king could even get that thought to attack our Ayodhya. All that is my Ramachandra Swami's Bhujabalam, the valor. Like that, Bharata appreciating and recalling the greatness, valorness of Ramachandra Swami. And now Bharata is declaring to his mother, saying that from now onwards, I am also going to eat only fruits. I am also going to be eating only herbs. I will also do my hair matted. I will also wear naravastras. I will start sleeping only on the floor. And I am going to be doing Vanavasam. Rest of the Vanavasam I will do, and I will release Sita, Rama, Lakshmana from this Vanavasam, and I will send them back to Ayodhya. Ayodhya will be ruled by Sita Ramachandra Swami, and I will do the rest of the Vanavasam along with my brother Shatrughna. Oh, my dear Devatas, please bless me. Please fulfill my wish. Like that, Bharata praying all the Devatas and also declaring and stating to his mother, saying that Prasadyamanaha Sirasa Maya Swayam. I will go to my Rama. I will just fall on his divine lotus-like feet and beg him to go back to Ayodhya, and I will continue my Vanavasam. If my Ramachandra Swami does not agree with this, I am going to be staying along with my Rama. This is final. Like that, Bharata, while crying, he is declaring to his mothers and he is praying all the Devatas. Bharata along with Shatrughna and entire army along with mothers, they all slept on the banks of Ganga river that night. Early in the morning, Bharata got up and started awakening Shatrughna, saying that, Shatrughna, Uttishta, come on, get up. Please go ahead and call on Guha. Tarayishyati Vahinim. We have to cross this Ganga river. Then Shatrughna got up. He is saying to Bharata that, oh my dear brother, I did not sleep at all last night. Jagarminaham swapimi tameva aryam vichintayan. I was just not at all going to sleep, but I was just always thinking about my Rama entire night. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana.